Are you struggling to attract and retain skilled employees because your pay rates aren't competitive? You're not alone. According to Robert Half, 38% of employees who quit their jobs did so because they felt their employer's salary and benefits were below industry standards. Without the right compensation data, it's hard to know what those standards should be. Larry Beers, Director of Consulting at JER HR Group, says, "Your employees, current and future, have industry-specific expectations. Ensuring your organization meets or exceeds them is part of what keeps you competitive." Custom salary surveys can provide the specific data you need. These surveys collect detailed compensation information from relevant industries and job titles. With this data, you can set competitive and fair pay rates for your employees, making it easier to attract and retain talent. So, how do you perform a custom salary survey? Start by identifying your objectives. What do you want to achieve? Next, set clear expectations for what the survey will cover. Decide on the format: online, paper-based, or interviews. Develop a questionnaire that asks precise questions about compensation elements like base pay and benefits. Once you have your questions ready, identify potential participants from relevant industries. Make sure your list includes diverse organizations to get a comprehensive view of market trends. Build a communication plan to engage participants, and then administer the survey. Track responses and follow up as needed to maximize your response rate. After collecting the data, analyze it for meaningful insights. Look for trends, patterns, and outliers. This analysis will help you adjust and plan your salary structure effectively. Custom salary surveys also support legal compliance, budget planning, organizational benchmarking, and HR policy development. For more detailed steps and insights, read the entire article on our website. Don't forget to add this podcast to your Spotify playlist for easy access to more helpful content.